Hello students, greetings for the day. I am Sanjay Singh from Umadevi Children's Academy. Welcome to class 7th GK. Today in this video I will cover the topic from the beyond and the name of the topic is short biography of Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela and Mother Teresa. But before starting the video I want to know that whatever the homework I gave you in the last video related to the last topic, I hope you would have completed that homework in your fair notebook of GK. So let us start our video. Students, as your topic is short biography of Abraham Lincoln, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela. But before starting the video related to this topic, I will ask some questions related to this topic. My first question is, what is the meaning of biography? I hope most of the students are introduced to this word, so please pause the video and think. Yes, biography means life history of any person written by someone else. My second question is, who is known as the Mahatma Gandhi of South Africa? I know most of the students know the answer of this question. Yes, Nelson Mandela is called the Mahatma Gandhi of South Africa. My next and last question is, do you know biography of Abraham Lincoln, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela? If you don't know, so no problem, because in this video I will clear short biography of Abraham Lincoln, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela. So please watch this video very carefully. Hello students, I am again with you with the new topic from the GK Beyond, and the name of the topic is short biography of Abraham Lincoln, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela. So in this video I will discuss short biography of Abraham Lincoln, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela. First of all, I will discuss a short biography of Abraham Lincoln. So before starting the video related to the short biography of Abraham Lincoln and so many others, first of all I want to tell you one thing, that here in this world there are different type of people, and some people live their life only for themselves and some people live their lives for others. Abraham Lincoln was one of them who lived his life for others. So now I will discuss first of all the biography of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American politician. He performed a great role in ending or demolishing the slavery system from America. Lincoln's childhood passed in so poverty that his family had to face a lot of hardships for the livelihood. He had no money to purchase the books, so he took the books from his friends to study. For supporting his family, he worked in his childhood. After facing so many ups and downs in his life, he had been the 16th president of America. So now I will read this text whichever I have written on the screen. Abraham Lincoln was an American politician. He was the 16th president of the United States. He was president from 1861 to 1865 during the American Civil War. Means to say, before becoming the president of America, there was a civil war going on in America. And what was the reason of this civil war? So the reason of the civil war was this, that in America a slavery system was going on in the time of Abraham Lincoln, and in slavery system the poor ones were sold to the rich ones, and rich ones got them worked too much hard, but they didn't pay to them. And Abraham Lincoln performed a very great role in ending this slavery system from America. And during this time, John Wilkes Booth assassinated Lincoln. Assassinated means murdered Lincoln. Lincoln was the first president of the United States to be assassinated, and Lincoln has been remembered as the great emancipator because he worked to end slavery in the United States. What is the meaning of emancipator? Emancipator means to get rid of. And now I will discuss the some personal details of Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12 February in 1809 in America at Hardin County, Kentucky, and he was assassinated on 15th April in 1865. And his father's was Thomas Lincoln, and his father was a farmer. His mother's name was Nancy Lincoln, and his elder sister, whose name is Sarah, and his wife also, and the name of his wife is Mary, and there was one beloved in the life of Abraham Lincoln, and the name of that beloved is Anne Rutledge. And now I will discuss some points. His mother died when he was only 6 years old. Means to say that when Abraham Lincoln was 6 years old, at that time his mother passed away. And the second point is, after the death of his mother, Lincoln's father married to a widow named Sarah Bush Johnson. His stepmother cared him so much. Means to say that after the death of his mother, Lincoln's father married to a widow named Sarah Bush Johnson, and his stepmother cared him so much. As I want to tell that Lincoln's father did not want that Lincoln got a proper study from any recognition university, and so Lincoln started his self-education of law. And I want to tell that Lincoln has developed his interest in the study of law. So there was one incident occurred in the life of Lincoln, that once he crossed the river by swimming to get the books from a retired judge. Means to say that Lincoln had not sufficient money to purchase the books of law, so Lincoln had to cross the river by swimming to get the books from a retired judge who lived on the other side of the river. And next point is, due to continue his study, he did a job as a postmaster. And the next point is, he entered the political life for ending the slavery system from America. So he stand for the election as MLAs, but he did not get success. Meanwhile, he left the job of postmaster and he had to face a lot of financial problems. And the next point is, he fell in love with a girl named Anne Rutledge. I have discussed it already, but she died of typhoid fever. Means to say that Abraham Lincoln loved a girl named Anne Rutledge, but she died of typhoid fever. After the death of Anne Rutledge, Lincoln got so much disappointed that he kept on sitting near the grave of Anne Rutledge for 3 or 4 hours daily. And the next point is, in 1860, Lincoln stand for the president and got success. So now, students, I will discuss the biography of Mother Teresa. So students, I know very well that all of you are introduced to this famous personality named Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa dedicated her whole life in the service of the poor or sick people. So she was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. So first of all, I'll discuss some important detail related to Mother Teresa, and after that I'll discuss the personal detail of Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa was the founder of the Order the Missionaries of Charity, a Roman Catholic congregation of women dedicated to helping the poor. Considered one of the 20th century's greatest humanitarians, she was canonized as Saint Teresa of Calcutta in 2016. Means to say that Mother Teresa founded the Order of Missionaries of Charity, and the purpose of this missionary was to helping the poor, and Mother Teresa was considered one of the humanitarians, one of the greatest humanitarians of the 20th centuries. So she was canonized as Saint Teresa of Calcutta in 2016. What is the meaning of canonized? Canonized means Mother Teresa was officially called as Saint Teresa of Calcutta in 2016. And her personal detail is she was born on 26th August in 1910, Skopje, North Macedonia, and Skopje is the capital of the Republic Macedonia in the present time, and she was died on 5 September in 1997 in Kolkata. Her childhood name was Agnes. It is important. And her awards, she was awarded with so many awards like Bharat Ratna, Nobel Peace Prize, Order of the Ismail, and so on. And the next point is, who was Mother Teresa? So in this point I'll discuss who was Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa was a nun and missionary. Mother Teresa, known in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, means in Calcutta she was known as Saint Teresa, and she devoted her whole life to caring for the sick and poor. She was born in Macedonia, and her parents belonged to Albanian descent, and having taught in India for 17 years, Mother Teresa experienced her call within a call in 1947. What is the meaning of call within a call? It means that after having taught in India for 17 years, Mother Teresa felt an inner voice in which it was said to her to help the poor ones, and it is said to that Jesus Christ also urged her to serve the poor people. So Mother Teresa felt her inner voice for helping the poor people in 1946. So she established a hospice centers for the blind, aged, and disabled people. In 1979, Mother Teresa received the Nobel Prize for her humanitarian work. She died in September 1997. I have discussed it already. In December 2015, Pope Francis recognized a second miracle attributed to Mother Teresa and clearing the way for her to be canonized on September 4, 2016. Means to say that Mother Teresa second time was canonized on September 4, 2016. Now Mother Teresa's family and young life. Students, I want to tell this that I'll only summarize the biography of Mother Teresa, and you can read the whole detail related to Mother Teresa in this video properly after reading this point. So Mother Teresa was born on August 26 in 1910 in Skopje, the current capital of the Republic of Macedonia. I have discussed it already. The following day she was baptized as Agnes Gonaksaha Bozaiu. This was the real name of Mother Teresa. The real name of Mother Teresa was Agnes Gonaksaha Bozaiu. And what is the meaning of baptized? Baptized means there is a ceremony in Christian after the birth of a child. There is a baptism is performed as a ceremony in Christian, and this ceremony is performed after the birth of 3 days of a child. And the next is in 1919, Mother Teresa, then Agnes, means before becoming Mother Teresa, she was Agnes. When she was only 8 years old, her father suddenly fell ill and died. After the death of her father, she attracted to her mother, and her mother performed a very important role in infusing her the emotional attachment and caring for others. And one incident related to this, that once upon a time Mother Teresa's mother invited most of the people for dinner with her. At the time, Mother Teresa asked her mother, who are these people? So her mother answered her that these people are our relatives and our neighbors. And the name of Mother Teresa's mother is Drena Bozaiu. Education and nunhood. First of all, she got her education from a convent-run primary school, and after that, she got her education in secondary school. These both schools were run by the missionaries. And after that, the congregation made an annual pilgrimage to the Church of Black Macedonia in Latinis, and it was on one such trip at the age of 12 that she first felt a calling to religious life. Means to say, at the age of 12 she first felt a calling to religious life, and after 6 years, in 1928, at the age of 18 years, Agnes Bozaiu decided to become a nun and set off for Ireland to join the Sisters of Loreto in Dublin. And this organization, named Sisters of Loreto in Dublin, this organization gave her title of sister and mother. First of all, this organization gave her a title Sister Teresa, and after that this organization gave her title of Mother Teresa. And now, students, I have cleared some famous points related to Mother Teresa, and I want to tell you once again that I cannot read it properly, means I have to summarize this because of lack of time. and you can read it properly, and if you have any confusion you can call me without any hesitation. And I'll discuss also Mother Teresa's awards. So Mother Teresa was awarded so many awards. In February 1965, Pope Paul VI bestowed the decree of praise upon the missionaries of charity, which prompted Mother Teresa to begin expanding internationally. And by the time of her death in 1997, there were more missionaries in the number of 4,000, and there were so many foundations in so many countries of missionaries. There were 610 foundations of missionaries in 123 countries by the time of her death. And students, now I will discuss Nelson Mandela. Students, I know very well that all of them are introduced to this famous personality Nelson Mandela. So Nelson Mandela performed a very important role to demolish the discrimination among the blacks and whites in South Africa. So first of all, I will read this detail, and after that I will discuss his personal details. So Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa. He was also the oldest president to assume office. He was the one who put an end to apartheid. What is the meaning of apartheid? Apartheid means a system of racial discrimination among black and whites. Means to say that Nelson Mandela put an end to apartheid as a system of racial discrimination among black and whites. He had been the president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He had spent 27 years in prison for ending or demolishing racial discrimination among black and whites. Now I will discuss his personal details. So first of all, I will tell you that his full name means what is the full name of Nelson Mandela. So the full name of Nelson Mandela is Rolihlahla Mandela. And what is the meaning of Rolihlahla? Rolihlahla means naughty, because Nelson Mandela was too much naughty in his childhood. So this title was added before his name. So his full name is Rolihlahla Mandela. He was born on 18 July in 1918 in South Africa, and he was died on 5 December in 2013. His father was Gadla Henry, and alma mater. Alma mater means educational institutes. So he got his education from University of London, University of South Africa, and University of the Witwatersrand. Spouse means spouses means his wives. So you can watch properly here. There are 1, 2, 3. There were 3 wives of Nelson Mandela. First one is Evelyn Notoko Mace, and he married to her in 1944, and he gave her divorce in 1958. Second wife is Binnie Madikizela, married in 1958 and divorced in 1996. And the third one is Greka Machel, married in 1998. Occupation. He was, means Nelson Mandela was an activist, politician, philanthropist, and lawyer. What is the meaning of philanthropist? Philanthropist means a person who loves the humanity. Political party. He joined the political party of ANC. ANC means African National Congress. his biography. If it is asked to you in any exam, what is the name of biography of Nelson Mandela, so your answer will be Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom was the biography of Nelson Mandela. Awards. He was awarded with so many awards. First is Bharat Ratna. He was awarded with this award in 1990. Second one is Nobel Peace Prize. He was awarded with this prize in 1993. And the third is Presidential Medal of Freedom, and so on. So, students, I have cleared all the biography of famous personalities, and I want to tell one thing more, that Nelson Mandela is also called the Gandhi of South Africa. So, students, you have to read the text related to the every personality in a very proper manner, and you have to watch this video 3 or 4 times for better understanding. And whatever I have discussed in this video, you have to note down in your fair notebook of GK. So thank you, and thank you so much for watching this video.